It's a boy Triple L TV, you know what I mean? So this video I'm about to show you is how Jamaican, also like well, it's how we do it in Jamaican, club style, party style. So yeah, so let's get to the video. Enough talking, yeah. Let's get to the video.
Like you're doing it, flow like you're doing it, pop it like you're doing it, flow like you're doing it, wine like you're doing it, roll like you're doing it, grind like you're doing it, flow like you're doing it, so drop it like you're doing it, flow like you're doing it, pop it like you're doing it, flow like you're doing it, wine like you're doing it, roll like you're doing it, grind like you're doing it, flow like you're doing it. Anything she want, on the ball, that's fine. I'm a real sucker for the go wine. Shot the bus and move the way, blow my mind when she back it up and show me where the sun don't shine. Below it when she shake it like a tambourine time. She can't transform it like once you sit down in your lap like a chair and recline and do the dirty wine like she don't want no spine. She get every time when she back it out, she fling it up, sweep the floor and then she bring it up. When she take it out, she talk it, never stop her on her booty and sing set. Drop it like you're doing it, blow like you're doing it, pop it like you're doing it, slow like you're doing it, wine like you're doing it, roll like you're doing it, grind like you're doing it, flow like you're doing it, so drop it like you're doing it, low like you're doing it, pop it like you're doing it, slow like you're doing it, wine like you're doing it, low like you're doing it, grind like you're doing it, flow like you're doing it. When she drop it, me drop off on the chair. She have me a fling dollar bills in the air. She dip it down again, me nearly choke on me ear when she swing from the pole like a chandelier. The way she do that flip, that she must get a tear. Rain out the war for that girl, yeah me swear. She been over and give me a snap shot from the rear. Me have to blink and check if my eyes are see clear. Me swear. When she back it out, she fling it up, sweep the floor and then she bring it up. When she take it out, she talk it, never stop her on her booty and sing set. Drop it like you're doing it, blow like you're doing it, pop it like you're doing it, slow like you're doing it, wine like you're doing it, roll like you're doing it, grind like you're doing it, flow like you're doing it, so drop it like you're doing it, low like you're doing it, pop it like you're doing it, slow like you're doing it, wine like you're doing it, roll like you're doing it, grind like you're doing it, flow like you're doing it. Accelerate up on my teeth like a chicken gravy. She make me feel like a little baby. At this time I think I'm Madam Mary. I also let me think I gotta save me. And she come in on my house and she never prayed it. Think that fly like my brother baby. Up so pretty like a Madam Mary.
Yeah, and that was a little clip of how Jamaican do it in the club, and I mean, so hope you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, views, new channel, Triple L TV. I'm out.